Did you know that a simple bedtime routine with castor oil could unlock a world of fascinating benefits for your hair, skin, and overall well-being? Castor oil is that underrated natural remedy that has been used to relieve different health conditions, especially when it comes to your skin and joints. In this video, we'll reveal the powerful reasons why you should use castor oil before bed. From enhancing hair growth to banishing skin imperfections, preventing insomnia, and reducing joint pain, we'll explore the remarkable benefits of this age-old remedy that can revolutionize your nighttime routine. So join us to unleash the full potential of this incredible natural remedy as you discover how a simple bedtime ritual with castor oil can be the game changer you've been waiting for. But before we uncover these amazing benefits of castor oil, let's first explore what makes it one of the finest vegetable oils out there, shall we? Castor oil is a dense, fragrance-free oil that's derived from the seeds of the castor plant. This plant primarily thrives in Eastern Africa, South America, and India. These seeds themselves are referred to as castor beans and contain a harmful enzyme called ricin. Fortunately, the heat treatment applied during castor oil production neutralizes the ricin, ensuring that the oil can be used safely. Ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians, were early pioneers in recognizing the remarkable versatility of castor oil. They highly valued it not only as a potent laxative for detoxifying the body, but also as a valuable source of lamp fuel. In fact, Cleopatra, the iconic Egyptian queen, is said to have used castor oil for her hair and to enhance the whiteness of her eyes, adding to her legendary beauty. The ancient Egyptians equally used castor oil as a natural remedy for various ailments, including relieving eye irritations. They even used it to stimulate labor during pregnancy, showcasing the wide array of uses for this remarkable substance in ancient times. In today's world, castor oil is used as an ingredient in food, medicine, and skincare products, and also serves as an industrial lubricant and biodiesel component. Its versatility makes it a great vegetable oil with numerous benefits for your body and well-being, especially when used before bedtime. And the first powerful reason why you should use castor oil before bed is that it helps to prevent insomnia. There is no doubt that our primary goal for bedtime is to sleep. Yet, for many, sleep troubles like deprivation or insomnia are prevalent. But the good news is that castor oil can aid in faster and deeper sleep, offering a solution for those who struggle with getting that much-needed sleep at night. It's a fantastic solution for those with disrupted sleep cycles. While the exact mechanism behind how castor oil induces sleep remains unclear, many users who apply it to their hair or around the eyes swear by its effectiveness. So, if you struggle to fall asleep or maintain a solid 6-hour sleep, consider applying a small amount of castor oil to your eyelids. It may have you sleeping soundly for an extended period, just like a baby. Did you know that castor oil is a stimulative laxative? This means it helps to activate the muscles that move material through your intestines, making it easier for you to have a bowel movement. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has approved castor oil as a fast-acting stimulative laxative. These types of laxatives are often used to relieve temporary constipation or to prepare the bowel for medical procedures. When you take castor oil orally, it undergoes a breakdown process in the small intestine by releasing ricinoleic acid, which is the primary fatty acid found in castor oil. This ricinoleic acid is then absorbed by the intestine, leading to a potent laxative effect. For instance, in a 2011 study, it was observed that older adults who took castor oil experienced reduced constipation symptoms, such as less straining during bowel movements and decreased reports of incomplete bowel movements. Another study demonstrated the effectiveness of castor oil in preparing individuals for a non-invasive colonoscopy procedure known as a colon capsule endoscopy. It's worth noting that while castor oil is generally safe in small doses, it can cause cramps, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea when taken in larger quantities. This means it's not a long-term solution for health issues. Your best bet is to consult a healthcare professional before using it for constipation, as misuse can lead to severe side effects. Castor oil is typically consumed as a fast-acting laxative and is best taken during the daytime. The recommended dosage for adults dealing with constipation is 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon. If you find the taste unpleasant, you can improve the experience by refrigerating the castor oil for at least an hour to chill it. Afterward, simply mix it into a full glass of juice for easier consumption. Castor oil is popular for natural hair care due to its moisturizing qualities, which can enhance hair flexibility and reduce breakage. It has anti-inflammatory properties, fights infections, and treats issues like dandruff and split ends. It's also a great home remedy for dry scalp, hair thinning, and general hair loss. To promote hair growth, warm the oil to a comfortable temperature, then massage it gently onto your scalp with your fingertips. If done at night before bed, you may notice results in just 2 weeks. Castor oil equally has the added benefit of enhancing your hair's natural color, making it appear richer, livelier, and thicker. It acts as a humectant, helping to retain moisture in your hair shaft and thereby darkening and thickening each strand. You can create a nice hair treatment by mixing a teaspoon of castor oil with an equal amount of coconut, olive, or almond oil. Massage it into your scalp and leave it for 30 to 45 minutes before shampooing. Alternatively, you can use slightly warmed castor oil after washing your hair. Gently massage it into your hair by running your fingers through, leaving it on for 30 to 45 minutes, and then rinse it off. If you sustain small wounds or injuries, try applying castor oil to create a moist environment that may aid in healing and prevent the wounds from drying out. In fact, Benelix, a widely used clinical ointment for wound care, combines the beneficial properties of castor oil with Peru balsam, derived from the Myroxylon balsamum tree. Benelix serves as an effective solution for a range of wound types, such as pressure ulcers, diabetic ulcers, burns, and surgical wounds. It excels in reducing odors, providing wound protection, and fostering a moist environment that promotes the healing process. Moreover, ricinoleic acid, the primary fatty acid in castor oil, possesses anti-inflammatory and pain-reducing properties. It can help alleviate skin inflammation, promote healing, and reduce pain in individuals with wounds. Some studies indicate that ointments containing castor oil can be effective in addressing various joint pains, particularly arthritis. Animal research also suggests that ricinoleic acid can combat swelling and pain caused by inflammation when applied to the skin. In one study involving humans, castor oil was found to be as effective in treating symptoms of knee arthritis as a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID. Since castor oil promotes fluid circulation in your body, it's a perfect choice for massage oil. It's also great for easing aching muscles after exercise. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties make it ideal for relieving joint pain, nerve inflammation, and sore muscles. For pain relief, massage joints with castor oil and apply a hot water bag. Repeating this process twice a week can be especially beneficial for arthritis. Castor oil also serves as an excellent carrier for essential oils. You can enhance your massage by adding a few drops of peppermint oil to a tablespoon of castor oil for a relaxing and healing massage process. If you're the type who struggles with dry skin, then castor oil is a fantastic solution, as the thickness of this oil allows it to deeply nourish your skin with natural fatty acids. It will interest you to know that many commercial moisturizers use castor oil for its hydrating benefits. The oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which is a monosaturated fatty acid that keeps your skin moisturized and prevents water loss. You can use castor oil as a natural alternative to store-bought moisturizers and lotions. Most commercial products contain potentially harmful ingredients that may irritate your skin and health. So switching to castor oil can reduce exposure to these additives, and it's a cost-effective alternative for both your face and body. Due to its thickness, castor oil is often mixed with skin-friendly oils like almond, olive, or coconut oil to create a super hydrating moisturizer. While castor oil is generally safe for most skin types, it may trigger allergic reactions in some individuals. To be safe, perform a patch test by applying a small amount to a small skin area and monitor for 24 hours for any allergic reactions before using it on your skin. Once you're certain about no allergies, take a teaspoon of oil, rub it between your palms, and gently apply it to your skin. This ensures an even, thin layer, as castor oil is thick. Initially, it might feel a bit sticky, but once applied thinly, it absorbs quickly without leaving an oily residue. To lighten the texture, you can add a bit of coconut oil for easier application. Did you know that in naturopathy, castor oil helps to strengthen the immune system by increasing white blood cell count, including T11 cells, and enhancing lymphocyte production? This leads to the production of more antibodies, which can fight infections, viruses, fungi, bacteria, and cancer cells. The undecylenic acid found in castor oil helps to fight fungal infections like ringworm, jock itch, and athlete's foot. To combat any fungal infection, warm castor oil in the microwave for 20 to 25 seconds. Apply it to the affected area before bedtime, then leave it on overnight. Repeat this process for a week until the infection clears. If you have pets, it's equally a great idea to have castor oil on hand. Dogs and cats are known to lick their wounds and irritated skin, sometimes worsening their condition and unintentionally ingesting applied medications. Castor oil is a safe option for treating minor cuts and infected areas on your pet's skin, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that facilitate quicker healing. An added advantage is that pets often find the taste of castor oil unappealing, which could decrease the likelihood of them licking the treated areas. This in turn can contribute to a faster healing process for your pet's wounds. But before using castor oil topically or internally, there are important factors you must consider. First, ensure you perform a skin patch test to check for allergies. When taken internally, castor oil can have a potent laxative effect, and overdosing can lead to severe dehydration, so avoid excessive internal consumption. To safely use castor oil, follow the instructions on the packaging and ensure you use a clearly labeled measuring device for the correct dose. It's also crucial to be aware that castor oil has the potential to induce strong pelvic contractions in women, which could result in miscarriage or premature birth. As a result, pregnant women should avoid using castor oil internally unless specifically advised by a medical professional. Now tell us, have you ever tried castor oil as a natural home remedy? If so, what was it used for? Share your experiences in the comments below. And did you know that apple cider vinegar, ACV, is another fantastic liquid with numerous health benefits? Click on the video currently showing on your screen to discover the amazing uses of ACV. See you there!